Blue jay. Oh god, I should get ready to defend. Those things are violent, for sure. I don't like this trail. I feel like I'm literally going to Wonderland or something. Oh, it's just the no biking trail. I heard a crinkling crunk. Is that a human skull back there? Okay. There's the no biking sign. I think we missed my poem, but it doesn't matter because we already saw it the one time.
We have to go back that way so that we can get to the Jeep, right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
There's the birds. See, look, it's all cool looking. Oh yeah, sorry, I kind of forgot to mention this is the sequel to that video, although apparently we were almost done, so that's kind of pointless. Where are we going?
Back.
Well, yes, but also. Yeah, they did something to the poems and everything. Did they just go over our poems? If so, I'm battering the poem posts to death. Yeah, bro, this was mine. Yeah, we're almost out. This is the one time having... Oh, hello there, little burb. The one time having funny juice comes in handy.
Oh, look at that. Oh, sparkly. Rock.
Yabba dabba. But why is there so many rocks?
Because it's nature and natural.
Well, yeah, but funny purple color rock, no natural.